In this video, I'll show you the process of hiding balance on the Revolut app. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Also, feel free to sign up for a free Revolut account through the affiliate link in the description below. Hiding your balance on Revolut is an essential feature that helps you maintain privacy, preventing others from seeing your account details. It can also help reduce the temptation to spend impulsively. To start, open the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home page, you'll see your personal balance displayed prominently. If you prefer not to have your balance visible, follow these simple steps to hide it. First, tap the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to open your profile menu. From there, select the Account option, which will take you to the Account Settings page, where you can adjust various preferences related to your Revolut account. In the Account section, tap on the Privacy option to access privacy-related settings for your account. Scroll down to find the option Hide Balance that controls the visibility of your balance. Toggle its switch on to hide your balance, and it will no longer be displayed on the home page. After making this change, return to the home page, and you'll notice that your balance is now hidden. This feature is a simple way to keep your financial information more private while using the app. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. And don't forget to sign up for a free Revolut account using my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.